We're now going to move on to calling other list methods. We just looked at the copy method, but I want to talk first about how we can discover all of the list methods. And to do that, the easiest way is to use tab completion. So let's use our original list that we created before, my list. So here is that list. And the way to discover methods is by pressing a dot over here. So methods are always accessed with the dot notation. So you place a dot after your variable name, then you press tab, and you'll get a drop-down list of all of the possible methods. Now here they are. This is the complete list. There are far fewer methods for lists than there are for strings. If you remember with strings, there was about 50 methods. Here there's only maybe about 10 or so. That's how you can find one of them. So, and what we will be going through basically all of these methods just because there's not so many. But this is the, how you access a lot of the functionality and power of your list is through these methods. Okay, so let's say we pick the append method, and then in order to use the append method, you have to press Shift, Tab, Tab, or to find out how it works. And all this does, the append method, is it appends an object to the end of a list. All right, so we will look at this method coming up in the very next video. I just wanted to show you how you can find and discover all of the methods, and then remember how to use the documentation, pressing Shift, Tab, Tab, and then you can read about what the list does or what the method does, and then use that method by open and closing parentheses. All right, so the next videos we will actually call these list methods.